back, guys. Today I'm basically trying to eliminate a couple of my small little boxes. I got from Walmart, but I keep all my terminal tackle in there. So I got 3 of them right now in the boat, and to me it's taking up too much space. So what I'm gonna try to do is basically take these 3 and combine it down into one, and just try to clean up, you know, stuff that I'm not using often, and maybe move it in a different area of the boat. So, but yeah, got a lot of rain here, so figured why not. So, see how it turns out. Like I said, taking these 3. And I'm going to try to put it into this one. And then try to finish up most of my rods. And for Sunday, I'm going to go out and fish a little bit Sunday afternoon. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like when I get done. Stay tuned, guys. Taking this and that and this and that, and hopefully cramming it in there. See what happens. So, finally got everything freed up. Everything's labeled. And all hooks and, well, yeah, all the hooks are organized now into one compartment. And I still got one small one, which is just for some small terminal tackle, some weights, some bobber stoppers, some extra hooks, drop shot hooks, Nico weights. Yeah, so it worked out. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a video this Sunday up of me out there fishing, but we'll see. Hopefully the weather stays away. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and until next time, see ya.